What's up, everybody? I'm Danny DeVries with DiabloSport, and this is SEMA 2018. Let's go check it out. Hey guys, Danny DeVries here with DiabloSport at SEMA 2018. I'm joined with Matt Barker. Matt, so a lot of troubles with tuning the Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep vehicles. But you guys have cracked the code for 2018 and up. What are you guys doing?
Yeah, so for the 2018s, they bring in a lot of the same challenges that a 2015 to 2017 vehicle did, and that the PCMs are locked from factory. So we've generated some great solutions for tuning 15 to 17, but for 2018, we added another aspect to it. So we have gateway cables that basically allow us to communicate with the vehicle and tune past some of the obstacles that we've encountered with the 2018 model year. So it's a seamless experience like you've experienced on a 2015 to 2017. So we still do our PCM swap products, which will include a one-time core swap where we'll mail you an unlocked computer and you send us back your stock computer. It's all handled directly through DiabloSport, so whether you bought it online or directly from us, you can basically do the whole setup through us. We'll provide everything you need. We'll pay for the shipping both ways. It's a great setup. For those who want to keep their stock computer and not do a swap, we have our P kits. We call them performance kits. They come with an Intune i3 or a Trinity, and it includes an unlocked computer that you get to keep. So it's a little bit higher cost point, but now you've got your stock computer you can set aside, and throw in our unlocked computer and tune, and you're ready to go.
So what other models are supported for 2018?
So we've got support for Challenger, Charger, 5.7, Ram 1500s. We've got some Jeep support coming very soon, so look out for that for the JL. We've got the Charger Hellcat, Challenger Hellcat, the Trackhawk, and even the Dodge Demon is now supported, all through our P-Kit and PCM swap products.
Wow, you guys have it all. Guys, if you guys want to find out what product is right for you and your vehicle, go to DiabloSport.com.